Make a great choice today with the 2011 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, mini spare tire. Come take a test drive today.